we're all alright, we're not dying today. So I'm going to show you what we're doing. We've got some 40B8, we're going to slam it through this machine here. Right, and we're just going to let that go. Through them, what we're doing here, see these rollers here? We've got tree bark, so it looks a bit like a section of a tree as it's coming through the machine here. So can you see the pattern there on all these here? It's like the knots of bark, so we'll call it tree bark. We've got some of them forged over here. These run that through again, nice and fat fishtail on the end of them, and then into some up. Now these are like for handrails, so patterns on back side of them, and then we're just going to pull that round to like a parallel scroll end on there like that. So we've got something like that. We are tree bark on it. Also, what we're going to do with these, make one into a bigger frame end, so just get it up the press here. So these are all for like your staircases and your balustrades, for your ends of your railings, just to tie them off, you know, and you've got that nice pattern on the outside edge. That's how they're sort of done. So we've got that. Up there like that. And that. We've got your tree bark top. Nice swept end there. Also got some panels, a load of Aphrodite. So I've just drawn that out on the floor. That's all out of 60, 25 by 10 forest bar. You know, we're just blending all this in, and that's going to be for big Aphrodite gates, one of his gates that we've got outside building. Anyway, we've been only doing some dafts for Mother's Day, but what the big thing is today is we're going to give away one of his sculptures that we made last week. I'm just going to dig my hand into this cup here. Boss Skags, here we go. Dibbly dob. No tuck my sleeves. So one lucky mother's going to win this, and out to you for Mother's Day. In the pot we go. I've got one. And who is it? Donald Twycross. You can read that. Donald Twycross, you're a winner. We're going to get this out to you as soon as we can. So well done, lad. Donald, that's coming out to you. So thanks for watching. Like and share as always, and we'll see you next week.
Stay safe.
See you.